Hi, I'm back again, and in today's topic I'll be teaching you how you can add music from your audio library on YouTube. Sometimes people get confused asking, how do I add music? Where are you getting your music from? I was once confused. I was confused for a long time until I finally figured it out. So in this vlog, I'll be showing you how you can add or get videos from your YouTube audio library for free without having to pass through the hurdles of having copyright issues. So guys, I'm going to be screen recording now, so come with me.
Guys, I'm here now on my home screen. I'm going to tap on Google Chrome. Yes. So I want to search. Just type studio.youtube, studio.youtube, youtube.com. So you can see I typed studio.youtube.com and it went straight to my studio YouTube. Kind of what I say is a desktop version. So yes, it's on desktop site. Yes, to view your YouTube channel on desktop. So now I'm going to head up on these three arrows, these three settings arrow. To move down, you're going to see audio library. I click on audio library and you're going to see lots and lots of music. So many. The first page is 30, you can see 50, 100. There's so many music. So you're going to maybe choose the one you want to listen to. I'm going to tap on anyone. If you take any music from here, you're not going to be penalized for it because you got it from YouTube library. Let's listen and see the one we are going to choose. I click here. Let's see if it's going to play. So this is strictly instrumental. I think I like it. And what's the name here? The name here is Never Slow Me Down. So we are going to go ahead to download that music. Okay, Never Slow Me Down. That the days it was added is still there. I'm going to download. It's already downloading. Say file downloaded already. So we'll go back and listen to it. I like it because it is strictly instrumental. So what you are going to do is that you're going to go back to your YouTube video. So let's go back to my InShot. Basically, most of the times I use InShot to edit. InShot is an OG. So let's go back. Here's my InShot app. I open it. I look for a video. So let me new. Tap on new. Let's look for a video I'm going to add this to. So let's pick one of these my baking videos. I've selected it. Let me choose the canvas. Alright. So I'm going to silence it now because it already has sound. I silenced it. Now I'm going to add my own music. I clicked on audio and you go to music. You see whether it's imported or favorite. I'm going to click on my music. Yes, you're going to see the downloaded music here. Look at it here. Never Slow Me Down. I click on it. And I'm going to tap on use. So automatically it's been added to the audio. Can you see? Now I'm going to show you. It's just 2 minutes 49 seconds. So and the video is 9 minutes long. So what you're going to do here is just adjust the volume of the music if you don't want it too loud. I brought it to 40%, then I can now duplicate until it gets to the end. When it gets to the end, there is extra. You tap on it and then split and delete. So now let's listen to the audio. I'm actually going to upload this video on my channel, and you are not going to be penalized for it. So I'm going to show you a sample of when you upload it, what it looks like. I go back to my YouTube, click on my page, go to my videos. I'm going to show you a sample of one of it. So look at this one. I used a video I used an audio or music I downloaded from YouTube Studio. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now you tap on it, come down. Can you see here? Can you see what it looks like? YouTube is not going to penalize you. YouTube is not going to strike you. It's not going to give you a strike because you got the videos from their platform. So guys, I have beautiful baking videos on my page. Kindly visit my page. I have lifestyle and watch beautiful video. I have chocolate cake. I have 3 chocolate cake videos. I have vanilla and chocolate double flavors. Guys, I have prepping how I prep. I also have my baking secrets. I have my ultimate sauces, my baking recipes. I have red velvet cake recipe on my YouTube channel. How I made a birthday cake, tiger nuts, different recipes. You'll definitely find them on my channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
We are back. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope you understood me. Kindly drop your questions so I can answer them in the comment section. If there's any video you also want me to make, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll try as much as possible. Even if I don't know it, I'll figure it out and come and teach you. So in my next vlog, I'll be teaching you how you can add end templates. Those templates you see towards the end of your vlogs, telling the viewer to click on the next video to watch it. I'm going to show you how you can add those end clickable templates on your vlogs or on your videos or on your long form videos. Showing you the next video you would like to watch, or whichever video the YouTuber mentioned in the vlog to come out towards the end, towards the last 10 seconds of the video. I'll be showing you how you can add that to your video. If you're new here or you're coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. You can like, comment, and share this video as well. I hope to build a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to learning. See you. I hope you enjoyed my class.